Hi, we wanted to show you a little bit more about how you can use the Manage External Tax Postings app to make your work a bit easier. General ledger accountants in the U.S. can use this app to keep an overview of their tax postings when their company is working with an external tax partner. Here's how it works. Let's start by logging into the SAP Fiori Launchpad. Because this is my first time logging in, I'll use the App Finder to search for the app. Here we go. Now, since I don't want to do this again, I'll go ahead and pin it to my Launchpad. I'll pin it to My Home, and I'll pin it to Tax Processing. Now, let's have a look at the tile on the Launchpad. See this number here? This indicates the number of postings that are on hold. Anything other than a 0 here indicates that something needs to be corrected. So let's open the app and find out what. Aha, here we go. Have a look here in the Reason for Hold column. One posting has failed with an error, which blocks my posting queue and keeps the other posting pending. Notice that Failed with Error is a link. If I click it, I can get more info on the error. This message also lets me know whether it's an internal error, that is, an error on my side, or an external error, which is on my tax partner's side, so I have more information about how to go about resolving the error. I happen to know that this error is on my side, so I'll have to take care of it later. For now, I'll go ahead and move the problematic transaction out of the queue so it's not blocking anything. There we go. We'll head over to the Moved Out tab shortly. For now, let's go ahead and activate the queue and send the postings that were held up by the problematic posting. There. The queue is active. And if I select Go to refresh the queue, I can see that my postings are gone. They've been moved to the Successfully Sent tab. If we select the Successfully Sent tab, we can see them, right there on the top of the list. The Successfully Sent tab shows me a lot of information about the documents that have been sent. I have a unique ID, the reference document number and document type, information like the organizational unit, company code, and fiscal year, who sent the document and when, and whether this was part of a normal update or a force update. In fact, let's take a look at this update type column. 2 of our held up postings were normal updates, but this third one was a force update. This means that the posting was successfully sent, but that there was a discrepancy in there, and the data from my system overwrote the data from the tax partner's system. There are a number of contexts where this can happen, like credit memos or currency conversion. The most important thing for me is that the posting was successfully sent and that the information sent to our tax partner is correct. Now let's take a look at the Moved Out tab. See this No Processing Required option here that's slightly grayed out? I'd select this in case of reversal documents because they can be moved out and don't need to be processed any further. In my case here, though, I'll just open up one of the error transactions and have a look at the tax information. I can expand the various levels here to take a look, and now that I'm satisfied that everything is correct, I just resend. And that's it. That's a little bit about how the Manage External Tax Postings app makes my work a little bit easier.